as a teenager? It's a tantalizing question, isn't it? The online world is often shrouded in mystery with tales of overnight millionaires and myths of easy money. Some say it's all about luck, others claim it's a scam. But what if I told you there's more to this mystery than meets the eye? Now let's debunk these myths and learn the real steps to make money online. First step to making money online is discovering what you're good at. You see, each one of us has a unique set of skills and interests that we can leverage to earn money online. You might be thinking, but I'm just a teenager, what skills do I have? Well, you'd be surprised. Maybe you're a wizard with words and could start a blog or write articles for others. Perhaps you're a coding whiz with the ability to create websites or applications. Or maybe you're a creative soul with skills in graphic design or video editing. There are countless skills that can be monetized online. The key here is to identify what you enjoy and what you're good at. Take some time to reflect on your hobbies, your school subjects, and any other activities you participate in. You're bound to find something that you can turn into a profitable venture. Remember, your skills can be your best assets. Next, find the right online platforms that match your skills. Now, the internet is loaded with countless platforms where you can offer your skills and services. Let's talk about a few popular ones. First up, we have Fiverr. This platform is a goldmine for freelancers. Whether your forte is writing, graphic design, or even voice acting, there's a space for you on Fiverr. Then, there's Upwork. Similar to Fiverr, but with a broader scope, Upwork offers opportunities for both entry-level and seasoned professionals. Etsy, on the other hand, is the go-to platform for the creatively inclined. If you're into handmade crafts, vintage items, or unique art pieces, Etsy is your platform. Platforms like these are not only avenues for you to earn, but also great places to hone your skills and build your portfolio. Remember, choose a platform that resonates with your skills and interests. These platforms are the gateways to your online income. Now that you've found your platform, start building a portfolio. So what is a portfolio? Think of it as your digital showcase, a collection of your best work that highlights your skills and achievements. It's your chance to make a great first impression, almost like a visual resume. Why is it important? Well, a portfolio gives potential clients a taste of what you can do. It shows them that you're not just all talk, but you have the skills to back it up. It helps build trust and demonstrates your commitment to your craft. Now, to create an impressive portfolio, focus on quality, not quantity. Include projects that you're proud of, ones that reflect your unique style and skills. Don't forget to include details about each project, what you did, how you did it, and the impact it had. Remember, it's all about showcasing your skills in the best light. So take your time, be thoughtful, and put your best foot forward. A strong portfolio can be your ticket to getting more jobs. Once your portfolio is ready, it's time to market yourself. And in today's digital age, there are so many avenues to do just that. Social media marketing is a powerful tool, and it's right at your fingertips. Use platforms like Instagram, Twitter, or even TikTok to showcase your work and connect with potential clients. Blogging isn't just for sharing your weekend adventures either. It's also a fantastic way to establish yourself as an expert in your field. You can share tips, tricks, and insights related to your skills, attracting more attention to your work. And let's not forget about SEO, or search engine optimization. By incorporating relevant keywords into your online content, you can make it easier for people to find you. The higher you rank on search engine results, the more visibility you get. Remember, the goal is to stand out and show the world what you can do. Marketing yourself effectively is key to attracting clients. Finally, always deliver quality work. This is the fifth and perhaps the most crucial step in making money online. Now let's break it down. You've discovered your skills, found online platforms, built up a portfolio, and marketed yourself. But it all amounts to nothing if you don't deliver quality work. Quality work is not just about meeting client expectations, it's about exceeding them. It's about adding that extra sparkle that sets you apart from the rest. When you deliver quality, you build trust, and trust is the currency of the online world. Think about it this way. Every piece of work you deliver is a reflection of you. It's your brand, your reputation on the line. So make it count. Remember, good ratings and repeat clients are the lifeblood of any online business. So never compromise on quality. Because in the end, quality work is the secret to long-term success online. So, that's how you can start making money online as a teenager. Let's take a quick recap of the steps we've discussed. First, identify and hone your skills. Whether it's writing, graphic design, or coding, there's a market out there for every talent. Next, find online platforms that cater to your skills. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Etsy are great places to start. Then focus on building a portfolio. Remember, this is your chance to showcase your work and impress potential clients. Don't rush this step. Take the time to create quality samples that represent the best of your abilities. Marketing yourself is the next crucial step. Use social media, blogs, and website to reach a larger audience. Your personal brand is your ticket to attracting more opportunities. Finally, always deliver quality work. This not only earns you good reviews, but also repeat clients. It's all about creating a positive cycle of success. Now remember, you don't have to navigate this journey alone. If you're feeling stuck or have questions, I'm here to help. You can book a one-on-one session with me, and we can explore solutions together. But before you go, do me a favor. If you found this video helpful, click that subscribe button, give it a like, and drop a comment. Share it with others who may benefit from it. That's how we grow and learn together in this online world. If you found this video helpful, subscribe, like, comment, and share it with others. And if you need help or have a question, feel free to book a one-on-one session with me. Until next time, keep exploring.